നമസ്കാരം. ഇന്നത്തെ ക്ലാസ്സിൽ സൈക്കോളജിയിലെ കുറച്ച് ഇമ്പോർട്ടൻറ്റ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് ആണ് ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. ഫസ്റ്റ് വൺ, ദ മോസ്റ്റ് എഫക്റ്റീവ് വേ ഇൻ എഡ്യൂക്കേഷണൽ കമ്മ്യൂണിക്കേഷൻ ഇൻ ക്ലാസ് റൂം ഈസ്. ഓപ്ഷൻസ്: എ, റൈറ്റിംഗ് ഓൺ ബ്ലാക്ക് ബോർഡ്, ബി, lecturing, സി, വിഷ്വൽ മീൻസ്, ഡി, ഓഡിയോ വിഷ്വൽ മീൻസ്. ആൻസർ ഈസ് ഓഡിയോ വിഷ്വൽ മീൻസ്. Second question, consider following statements about educational psychology and select the answer from the quotes that follow. Options: first one, educational psychology is an applied branch of psychology. Second one, while psychology deals with the behavior of all individuals in all walks of life, educational psychology limits its dealing with the behavior of the learner in relation to educational environment. Third one, educational psychology is not a perfect science. It is more variable and less reliable. Options: A, only one is true, B, only two is true, C, only three is true, D, all are true. Answer: D, all are true. Third one, which of the following is not a normative science? Options: A, logic, B, ethics, C, psychology, D, philosophy. Answer: C, psychology. Fourth one, a backbencher student of your class is unable to watch the blackboard clearly, and as a result he stands, sees and sits repeatedly. As teacher, one inference will you draw from this case? Options: A, the child is of short height as compared to his classmates. B, the board is under shining effect of sunlight. C, the child has defective vision. D, both A and C. Answer: D, both A and C. Fifth one, which of the following is the most important characteristics of open book examination system? Options: A, it improves attendance. B, students become serious. C, it compels students to think. D, it reduces the anxiety of examination. Answer: C, it compels students to think. Sixth one, with which of the following items does educational philosophy have a direct connection? Options: A, learning experience, B, learning objectives, C, learning process, D, learning situations. Answer: B, learning objectives. Seventh one, an effective classroom communication does not require. Options: A, mastery of subject matter, B, change in speech pattern, C, appropriate gestures, D, charming personality. Answer: D, charming personality. Eighth one, if students do not understand what is taught in the class, as teacher you will opt for. Options: A, explain it in a different way, B, use a different teaching process, C, use more audio visual aids, D, all of these. Answer: D, all of these. Ninth one, which of the following will provide you more freedom as teacher to interact with your students? Options: A, use of film projector, B, lecture method, C, small group discussion, D, viewing a CWC program, countrywide classroom, that is CWC. Answer: C, small group discussion. 10th one, the aim of vocationalization of education is. Options: A, preparing students for a vocation along with knowledge, B, converting education into vocational education, C, giving more importance to vocational than general education, D, making general education more job oriented. Answer: D, making general education more job oriented. 11th one, which of the following is recording source of data? Options: A, books, B, magazines and journals, C, internet clippings, D. All of this. Answer D. All of this. 12th one. Evaluating listening involves options A. To accept or reject an idea given to a listener. B. To evaluate the credibility of source with regard to the reliability of data provided. C. Both A and B. D. None of A and B. Answer C. Both A and B. 30th one. If a teacher is glorified to be a friend, philosopher and guide, you mean? Options A. The teacher has to play a vital role in the context of the society. B. The teacher transmits a high value of humanity to students. C. The teacher is a reformer of society. D. All of this. Answer B. The teacher transmits a high value of humanity to students. 14th one. In which of the following communication the feedback system will be weakest? Options A. Interpersonal communication. B. Intrapersonal communication. C. Group communication. D. Mass communication. Answer D. Mass communication. 15th one. The primary task of a teacher is to dash. Options A. To provide diagnostic and remedial aid wherever required. B. To complete the portions in time. C. To stimulate and guide students' learning. D. To promote habits of conformity to expectation of nation. Answer C. To stimulate and guide students' learning. 16th one. Teaching ethics include options A. Disclosure. B. Understanding. C. Competence. D. All of this. Answer D. All of this. 17th one. Which one of the following has the largest share in classroom communication? A. Listening. B. Reading. C. Writing. D. Speaking. Answer D. Speaking. 18th one. The first step of motivational cycle is dash. Options A. Satisfaction. B. Need. C. Effort. D. Stress. Answer B. Need. A university is having only one central campus for imparting education. You will call it as dash. A. Central University. B. Deemed University. C. Open University. D. Private Residential University. Answer is B. Deemed University. 20th question. The unlearned form of activity which enables a learner to deal competently with something in the environment without preliminary experience and practice is called. Options A. Habit. B. Character. C. Instinct. D. Emotion. Answer C. Instinct. 21. The principles of behaviorism of Watson was said to be preliminary based on the exploration of options A. Thorndike. B. Skinner. C. Tolman. D. Pavlov. Answer is D. Pavlov. 22. Which of the following is not included in Thorndike's theory of connectionism? Options A. Law of effect. B. Law of excise. C. Law of readiness. D. Law of frequency. Answer is D. Law of frequency. 23. On giving a right answer to a question, you praised your student a lot. Slowly he generates interest in study to give right answer only to capture more appraisal from the teacher. With which of the following theories of learning would you associate this? Options A. Connectionism. B. Classical conditioning. C. Operant conditioning. D. Reinforcement. Answer is C. Operant conditioning. 24. The need hierarchy theory of Abraham Maslow has a direct connection to dash. A. Instincts of individual. B. Motivates of individual. C. Emotions of individual. D. None of this. Answer is B. Motivates of individual. 25. Thought and language do not grow parallel. The initial language formates were non-cognitive. Similarly, the initial thought process were non-linguistic too. This idea is closer to the thoughts of Dash. Options A. William von Humboldt, B. Lev Vygotsky, C. Noam Chomsky, Eichmann. Answer B. Vygotsky.